Maharashtra is building the future, boldly, rapidly, and at a scale few can match. And when the pace of construction accelerates, approvals must keep up, with speed, clarity, and complete confidence. Everyone in the ecosystem is asking for the same shift, from manual uncertainty to predictable outcomes. Developers need timelines they can plan around. Authorities need consistent compliance. Citizens need faster service. That's why approvals must become digital, rule-driven, trackable. In Maharashtra, Softtech's Auto DCR platform is powering a modern online building permit ecosystem through its portal maha.autodcr.com, enabling online submission, automated plan scrutiny, workflow-based processing, transparent tracking, and audit-ready governance. The system is already enabling approvals for many large-scale projects, supporting faster decisions and greater confidence across the ecosystem. Next, the ecosystem is moving toward connected governance, integrating seamlessly with Fire, RERA, Revenue, Airport Authority of India, and others, reducing handoffs, improving coordination, and enabling a truly unified approval journey. Now, to deliver clarity at Maharashtra's scale, the next step is intelligence. That's why the platform is evolving into an AI-first permitting experience, adding intelligence across the permission lifecycle. So instead of chasing information, the system starts doing the heavy lifting. Civit AI can autofill application forms using GIS data, attach documents, or your submitted building plans, so teams spend less time typing and more time moving. Smart drafting and smart printing can simplify approval drawing creation. With Gen AI rule search, you can instantly see the relevant applicable regulations. Applicants can get help anytime through an AI chatbot and WhatsApp support, so questions don't wait for office hours. And an AI document review agent can draft reviewer-ready reports, so final verification becomes quicker and more consistent. For property developers, this means fewer back-and-forth cycles, faster clarity on compliance, reduced rework risk, and more predictable approval timelines. Softtech is proven at scale, working in 18 states across 1,500 cities and 5 countries. With over 30 billion square feet processed and 2 billion plans approved, Softtech brings deep expertise in regulations, scrutiny automation, high availability platforms, and large ecosystem adoption. Security, fieldwork, and performance are built in. Blockchain-secured documents, mobile-based inspections, and live dashboards with predictive analytics to keep the system measurable. Beyond building permits, Softtech connects the full AEC lifecycle through Civit Infra for Public Works Infrastructure Management System, Civit Build for construction management, Civit Sustain for sustainability and compliance outcomes, and Civit Metaverse for immersive collaboration, linking plan, permit, build, and operate. And the destination is bigger, a digital twin of our cities, where GIS, IoT, and BIM come together to make approvals, progress, and operations one connected truth. Where plans aren't just submitted, they're understood. Where approvals aren't just granted, they're guided. Softtech is working alongside Maharashtra's ecosystem, helping make delivery more predictable and governance more trusted. Where Maharashtra's vision meets real estate ambition and becomes on-ground reality.